Hello and a very good day I bid to everyone. So, for today's interview session, we will conducting an interview for fulfilling the criteria for assignment 1 engineering ethics and OSHE that we take for this semester. Engineering ethics and OSHE subject for this semester. Alright. So, we are with Mr. Tavan from Intel, engineer in Intel. Alright. So, Mr. Tavan, for the first question, I want to ask about when is the code of ethics be applied during working hour?
So, the first main priority is the dressing code of ethics. So, usually at all workplaces, they have their own dressing code of ethics. So, at my place, we practice smart casual. So, there is some flexibility given in the uh, dressing code. Second code of ethics is when it comes to data. So data is a powerful tool used in engineering. So uh, an ethical behavior includes portraying the facts and data which is really true and not fake data. So a genuine data is very crucial ethics to follow at a workplace.
My second question is, in your own words, can a new fresh graduate engineer falsify qualification to get a new job? Please explain your answer.
For the second question, I totally agree because the employee should not receive any form of compensation or benefit from a third party. And for example, my personal experience is when we have a vendor for a machine. So sometimes we prefer to go for a local vendor instead of the OEM or the original vendor who manufacture the machine. So this is due to the cost saving benefits that the local vendor gives, but there might be some compromises in quality when we go for a local vendor. So sometimes they might give a compensation or benefit so that we go for their product instead of the original product. But this is totally not, this is totally prohibited. So so far we don't practice this kind of things at or issues at our workplace because we believe that compensation or benefit from any third party or supplier in order to qualify them for a certain product is totally wrong. And yeah, that's it.
Okay, Mr. Seven, for the third question, in terms of employee safety, what are the safety measures that need to be taken into account in this company?
Talking about safety, so during this COVID season, one of the main safety is first to wear mask, and secondly, they practice to have this QR code wherever we enter inside the workplace itself, and thirdly is they make sure that sanitization is done everywhere. So this is the first main safety practice that is being followed during this most known COVID season. And secondly is safety at a production line. So since I am a process engineer, so I deal with a lot of machines. So this machine have a lot of mechanical and moving parts, so this require a lot of safety in terms of handling and operation of the machine and also the maintenance. So there are a lot of strict SOP that we have to follow in order to make sure that we don't involve in any serious injuries or with something which risks our health or even our life. So SOPs and safety are very strictly followed inside the production line.
Hello and a very good day I bid to everyone. Alright, so here we are conducting an interview session for the subject Engineering Ethics and OSHE for the task assignment 1. Alright, so with us today is Miss Kushalini, anak perempuan Ramesh from from UNICEM Group Company, which is located in Ipoh, Perak. Alright, Mrs. Kushalini, we will continue with the first question. In your opinion, why engineering ethics are important in workplace?
Hi, I'm Kushalini Ramesh and I'm currently working as a design engineer in UNICEM. Engineering ethics are important to protect the company's privacy as well as to provide a good and professional working environment. This is also important to build trust with customers for long-term working relationship.
Okay, my question is, in your own words, can new fresh graduate engineer falsify their qualification to get a new job? Please explain your answer.
My answer will be that engineering is something that can never be falsified. First of all, it needs experience as well as theories that is only known to engineers. And with all the trainings that are provided to the engineering students during degree or diploma and so on, with that knowledge only can a work being done as an engineer. It is also important for an engineer to take accountability and also responsibility on a project. So it is important for them to have a hands-on training experience and also a well knowledge uh, on their field.
Okay, thank you. For next question, what are the action taken if something unwanted event took place in workplace?
What the first thing that we must do when something unwanted takes place is that first of all report to your supervisor, and then second talk with your team and identify the root cause, and after that come up with a proper solution to solve the problem. That's all. Thank you.